Getting a green card is a life-changing achievement, but in 2026, one small mistake could put your entire status at risk. From travel rules to tax obligations, there are critical do's and don'ts every permanent resident must know. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. Green card rules in 2026. Essential do's and don'ts for new lawful permanent residents. Becoming a lawful permanent resident in the United States is a huge milestone. After years of visas, petitions, waiting lists, and immigration paperwork, receiving a green card means you finally have a right to live and work permanently in the U.S. However, many new residents misunderstand one important fact. A green card is permanent, but it is not unconditional. If certain rules are violated, you could face delays in citizenship or even lose your status entirely. In 2026, immigration authorities are paying closer attention to compliance, travel patterns, and legal obligations. Understanding the basic do's and don'ts is essential to protect the status you worked so hard to obtain. Let's break down the key rules every new permanent resident should follow. Do. Carry proof of your permanent resident status. Once you receive permanent residency, you must carry proof of your status. This is typically your Form I-551, commonly known as a green card. You may need it for employment verification, airport inspections, or when interacting with immigration officials. If the card is lost or damaged, you should file Form I-90 immediately to replace it. Failing to carry proof of your status can technically lead to penalties. Don't abandon your U.S. residence. One of the biggest risks for green card holders is abandonment of residency. Permanent residency means the United States must be your primary home. Extended stays abroad can raise serious concerns. Red flags include spending more than 6 months outside the U.S., staying over 1 year without a re-entry permit, maintaining a primary job or residence abroad, filing taxes as a non-resident. If you plan long travel, you may need a re-entry permit using Form I-131 before leaving the country. Do. File U.S. taxes as a resident. Green card holders are considered U.S. tax residents. This means you must file annual tax returns and report worldwide income. Filing taxes as a non-resident alien can signal to immigration authorities that you do not intend to permanently live in the United States, which could create problems for your status. Don't commit crimes. Criminal activity can have serious immigration consequences. Certain offenses may lead to removal proceedings, problems when returning from travel, ineligibility for citizenship, crimes involving moral turpitude, aggravated felonies, drug offenses, or domestic violence are particularly serious. Even minor charges can impact immigration status. So always seek legal advice before accepting a plea deal. Do. Maintain continuous residence for citizenship. Most permanent residents become eligible for citizenship after 5 years, or 3 years if married to a U.S. citizen. To qualify, you must maintain continuous residence and spend enough time physically in the United States. Long trips abroad, especially those exceeding 6 months, can disrupt this requirement and delay naturalization. Don't assume you can sponsor everyone. New green card holders often believe they can sponsor all family members immediately. In reality, permanent residents can only petition for a spouse, unmarried children. You cannot sponsor parents, married children, or siblings until you become a U.S. citizen. Do. Update your address with USCIS. Every permanent resident must notify immigration authorities within 10 days of moving. This is done by filing Form AR-11 online. Failing to update your address can cause you to miss critical notices and may create issues during future applications, including citizenship. Don't rely on your old visa status. Once you become a permanent resident, your previous visa status, such as H-1B or L-1, no longer applies. If you have a conditional green card through marriage, you must file Form I-751 to remove conditions during the 90-day period before it expires. Missing this deadline can lead to loss of status. Do. Keep copies of your immigration records. Always maintain copies of important documents, such as approval notices, entry records, and immigration filings. These records may be essential when applying for citizenship, replacing a green card, or resolving immigration questions in the future. Don't Ignore selective service requirements. Male permanent residents between 18 and 25 must register with the selective service system. Failure to register can negatively affect future citizenship applications. Do consider applying for U.S. citizenship. While permanent residency offers many rights, citizenship provides stronger protection. It removes the risk of losing status and allows you to sponsor additional relatives, vote, and hold a U.S. passport. For many immigrants, becoming a citizen is a final step in securing long-term stability in the United States. That is all for today in this video. Please hit like and subscribe for an upcoming video. See you later. Till then, take care.